guys, so today I have a nice addition to my pergola right there. So it's gonna be lights. I already opened the box, was very excited, and I'm like, I should make some video, right? So I have this kind of a lights. This is the LED, and from your phone that you can set to any color. So this one comes with the 4 lights. This is the stencil for this thing to cut it out, where you put your lights next. So it's very simple. Spring here, spring there, just spring, whoops, forgot about wire, just like so. There is also gasket. Let's fix it to make it pretty. So very flash. On the rear is just a light, and here's those 2 clips. Okay, so it looks good. And this is like, it's really small, so you can put basically to everywhere. And kit comes with also this kind of boxes. So one side goes to light, and this side it's a simple 110 volt with the ground, hot, and a turn-on button light, and also comes with the hardware. Everything to make this kit works. So it comes with the 4 of them. Remote and manual. So it can work from the phone or from the remote. Remote, I believe it's Bluetooth, and there is a, I saw there is so many options that like you can do, and it's really bright and takes only 13 watt, and it's 1000 lumens, and bunch of commands, colors. If you have a party outside, it can dance with the music and like blinking, and it's also dimmable. So if you have a dimmable, yep. So it's supposed to be really easy. If you have a house, I have a pergola outside. It will take me a little bit more time, but it's really simple. So take your original the ceiling light, and it will have those wires. So you put your wires, you connecting it, you hooking it, everything up. There is 2 holes, hook anywhere, and connect the light. There is a gasket, and here you go. It's gonna be really easy, really simple, and I think it's anyone can actually do it. So, but I will do it on my pergola. I'm not gonna do the video how I install every single panel and all that stuff. It will take like so much time, but this is how it will look. Just like so, and I will connect it there. Yep. Okay dokie. See you next clip how it actually works with all those lights and stuff. Okay, so what you have to do if you have a brand new wire, so just split the wiring. There is a paper also, and there is one more paper inside. I'm going ahead and cut it off. It's cool to have actually a tool. I don't have it. I don't do this all the time. So, weaponing box. We have a hardware is inside. There is a two screws and 3 caps. I don't even know how it actually calls. And this thing have a 3. So this is a ground, white and black. So if you have a ceiling lights already, so you coming up with all those 3 wires. So you go ahead and push the pin here, put the wires inside, and then inside you connect the ground to this one. Just get the cap and just twist it, and let's take a black. Black is good. Now we have a white. Let's connect white. And we're connecting this one to actual light. It's only one way because there is it's like a dent here, or how you wanna call it. So it's only one way, and here you go, we're done. For more durable, just close the box. There is 2 screws that you can attach to your ceiling, and you'll be good to go and install the new light back, and you are all set. Okay, so this is on the iPhone. Go ahead and find the Lumary, press on open. If you have a login, press login, sign up, go sign up. So you go for sign up, and then you type your email. Let me type my email. And then when you check your email, this is your gonna be code. So let's go ahead and copy the code. And let's go back to the app, enter it. Let's do the password. So I just did my password. Oh, password too simple. Okay, so allow to connect. Press got it. Press on continue. Okay, my Bluetooth is on. Add device. Okay, we're looking for the device. Continue. Allow while using. Here we found 4, so let's go ahead and add. Here is it. Press. So it's gonna be to being added. So we're adding all 4 of them. So 1 is loading, 2, 3, and 4. Let's wait. So the three devices got loaded. Now waiting for the fourth light. It's coming up. Okay, so all four is done. Press done right here. I'm back. So I just installed the Lumary lights. So it's four lights that you can put in your ceiling outside, but this need to be covered because it's not waterproof, or inside just make the new ones or replace your original lights. Yeah, so I like the product. So this is only like 50% bright, and we can go to the app and we can change the settings. So let's make it brighter. 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's individually controls. So all of them is really bright. And let's go ahead for these two. Let's change the color to something different. Let's do like, let's do blue, and let's do this one in red. Blue, red, and the rest of it is white. Yeah, we can do that, or maybe green, or maybe white again, or yellow. So you can do any colors. So yep, or blue. So this is it. Really simple to install, and let's go ahead and show you some videos of it. Green, blue, purple, yellow, any colors you want. Enjoy it.